Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your very own Linktree-style website using Canva completely for free. If you've been wanting a customizable and eye-catching link page for your Instagram bio, but without the extra fees or branding from some services, this is the perfect solution for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished, totally personalized link hub ready to share with your followers, all thanks to Canva's easy-to-use features. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up Canva. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's quick and free to sign up. Once you're inside, head straight to the Create a Design button. It's usually sitting pretty at the top right corner of your screen. This is like your gateway to all things design on Canva, whether it's Instagram posts, presentations, or in our case, a bio link page. Now in the search bar that appears, type in bio link. What you'll see next is a collection of beautifully designed templates made just for link pages. I really love this because you don't have to start with a blank canvas, unless you want to, of course. Canva's got a wide variety of styles, from bold and colorful to minimal and elegant. Scroll through and pick one that matches your brand or vibe. Just click on it to begin editing. Once your template is loaded, the fun really begins. Start swapping out the text for your own details, maybe your name, a fun greeting, whatever suits your personality. Next, update the links. You can link your Instagram, YouTube channel, shop, newsletter, anything you want people to check out. It's almost like curating a mini website that acts as your online home base. A key tip here: don't just settle for what the template offers by default. Feel free to change out the colors, play with fonts, and upload your own photos or logo to really make it yours. Canva's drag and drop tools are super intuitive. Honestly, if you can use a smartphone, you can use Canva. And if you want to offer more than just a single page of links, you're not limited to just one. Canva lets you add as many pages as you'd like. Maybe you want a dedicated page for your shop, one for testimonials, or even an FAQ. Just click Add Page and design away. This is a fantastic way to go beyond what most free bio link tools allow. Once your design is looking sharp and you're happy with how everything connects, it's time to share it with the world. In the top right corner, click Share. Then select the option to download and choose PDF print as your file type. I recommend this because it keeps the formatting crisp and makes sure all your links are clickable, which is essential for a bio link page. The download might take a few seconds, especially if you've added lots of pages, so just be patient here. And that's it. You've just built your own customizable Linktree alternative, all within Canva and totally for free. Now just upload your shiny new PDF to a platform that can host it, or use Canva's publish options if you want to keep it even simpler. Add the link to your Instagram bio and you're good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button to let me know, and drop a comment if you have any questions or need more tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.